The reason why I'm making this video is because I see so many people giving up on their dream. You're never too old to follow the dreams that you had in this life. Before you leave this earth, whatever you wanted to do, you need to do it. I see so many small YouTubers on YouTube putting out content, but yet still they get discouraged because they don't get that many views, and they feel like YouTube is blocking them, and they ready to just give up on their channel. Don't give up. Do not give up. Everybody that's on this app is on this app for a reason. What do I mean by that, Niecy? Everybody that's be on YouTube, whether it's subscribers, viewers, because I don't like subscribers, I don't like that word. Mine's is family, because we all family in this world, whether we want to be or not. It's searching for somebody who can relate to them. Everybody is going through something in this world that needs help, needs to know that they're not alone. And it could be your video. So with that being said, don't give up on your channel. I don't care if you get one view. That one view is somebody that you have inspired, that loves your content and looking for you to put out more videos. The same goes for me. I get frustrated. I done got frustrated so many times. Because when I put out a video, you thinking that's the right video that's going to get a lot of views, you're going to get monetized and all of that, and then you don't get that many views, and then you like, what am I really doing here? Nobody is watching my video. I had to change my mindset. I don't care if it's one subscriber. Well, I hate that word. I keep saying it, but I hate that word. One family member that watches my video, I'm going to keep putting it out. Because it's somebody out there, that one person can relate to me, my situation, and theirs. So I'm helping somebody. Y'all understand what I'm saying? So stop getting discouraged about the views. When we change our mindset and stop looking at the views that we get on each video, just focus on your video, putting out your content to help somebody. All the views will start coming in. I had to change my mindset of thinking. You understand what I'm saying? That's just like this video. It might get family members watching, but it might not get what I expected to get, but it's somebody that watched it. It's somebody that it touched. See, we're never alone in this world as we think we are. We've been programmed to believe that we are, but no. Because it's always going to be somebody going through what you're going through and who can relate to you. So don't give up on your channel. Put out your content. Keep your faith. One thing about it, if you ask God to bless your channel and believe and trust in his word that he will do it, and you constantly putting out content, constantly putting out content, constantly putting out content, eventually it's going to take off. So I wanted to let you guys know, for us small YouTubers, don't give up. Keep going. Keep putting out the content. We're a small community. We're not big like the big YouTubers who've been on here and then blew up. But we steady making our way up that ladder. Slowly but surely. We're going to make it up there. And that way, you don't, when you do blow up, and you is going to blow up, because I believe you are. I believe I am. Don't change. Stay the same person that you are. Because I see a lot of them that gets all this money that they make and it goes to their head. But one thing about it, what goes up must come down, and that's a hard fall. So I pray that this motivates somebody. The young lady that emailed me, I pray that this motivates you. Keep going with your channel. Keep going with your channel. Ask God to bless the channel. And know that he will do it. You're going to get there. We all going to get there. It's at his timing. Not ours, but God's timing. And when that time comes, you're going to shine brighter than anything anybody ever seen. Y'all have a blessed Sunday. And I'll talk to you soon, fam.